Hello, my friends. I am Tara. I am from Alberta. I am a mom of two. I am a full-time French teacher. I have always been looking for a way to make money online. I've tried everything: MLMs, affiliate marketing, high-ticket affiliate marketing, publishing, you name it, I've tried it. I've spent tens of thousands of dollars on courses that in the end just end up costing me more money. I am a busy mom of two. I've got kids' sports activities, lots to pay for. Those aren't cheap for a mom of two and lots of different sports. My husband and I are not young. We're trying to figure out a way to retire early. I can't imagine having to teach for the next 10 or 15 years at my age. We really want to help out our parents. They're getting old. We're unfortunately faced with Alzheimer's disease. We are looking for residence for our aging parents. That ain't cheap. There's motivation for me as well. We love traveling. I love traveling. Before I met my husband, which is why we had our kids a little bit later, a little bit older, was because we spent our many years of youth traveling, not together, separately. I didn't meet him, but that's why we fell in love, because of our love of traveling. I want to give my kids those opportunities as well to pick up and go and explore the world. No other better way to spend your money on than travel. Always. I will always pick that. I got into this business back in April, the middle of April. Got in just for a one-time fee of $600. That I got 3 income streams. I get in for as little as $100. There's $300, $600, $900 legacy program, which is the most popular. You get 4 income streams there. You can sell any of the other programs. And then a $29 website fee, and that is it. There's no other fees other than your domain, which is peanuts. You are getting your own website. You get a fully automated email system. Everything is step by step. So for me, working a 2-hour workday, it is proven. I get my high income earning activities throughout the day. I'm a busy mom. I'm working full time. We have a puppy. Kids are busy after school, so I chunk it out in the day. I get up a little bit earlier, work when the kids go to bed, and maybe on my lunch break or whenever I can do my income earning activities. It is a step by step program. So if you're coachable and you follow this, you are going to have success with this. It is 100% profit. This is not an MLM. You get 100%. Whatever you buy in on, you get to sell that product. Exactly that. So you get the master resale rights. You're never hassling friends and family. It teaches you how to market your business. Training is phenomenal, whether or not you want to sell these products or whether you are just looking to improve on your business skills, on your own business, and it fits around your schedule. This is why I got into it, and I have to say I hemmed and hawed on it for a little while because I've tried everything, lost a lot of money. This was a no-brainer. I made my money back in 10 days, and since then I've earned over $12,000 helping people like myself get out of situation. We're working towards retirement. Things are within reach now. I just paid for all my kids' sports for the year, and that was not cheap. We are booking a trip to Japan. It's all within reach. I might not have to work that long, and I encourage you, just check it out. Go to www.dailypaysixfigures.com. I am there. I am here for you. I want to help you succeed as well. I will help you every step of the way. Comment ready, and let's go.